ตัวน้อยอะตัว flathead นะ This flathead we did not catch it, be honest. Somebody caught it and our season fall down there. We went, get the season and we saw it. So we just take video and we got to release it, okay guys? So we did not catch this at all. So we don't want to take any credit and we'll be honest that we did not catch this flathead. So it's gonna go back in, okay? Nó biết tao nụ tao nè. Đây từ nụ tao ấy bông khắp bên trên thì bên ta chia bông họ ấy bên một cái bên ta chia thì bên bỏ. Thì bên mua là chọn nó thì bên muốn chọn được cái nè. I'm gonna let it go. The water is very high and you guys see that the rock is all wet, so I'm not gonna go down there, so I'm just gonna throw it back in, okay? So good luck, flathead.